This is about a little more in-depth about personality analysis. We have about 9 different personality analysis tests or psychometric tests. We have the MBTI, basic, intermediate, and advanced. We have also the SPTI-PT, the Shoaib personality type indicator psychometric test, which we have designed and which is an improvement, or which is, at least you can say, built upon the foundations of the MBTI, which we have discussed in the past in our introductory session, that just as the MBTI is built upon the foundations of the research and works of Carl Jung, so is the SPTI-PT built upon the foundations of the MBTI. So we have the 3 MBTI tests at the basic, intermediate, and advanced level. We have the SPTI-PT. We also have the lifestyle characteristic drives. We have a test on EQ, emotional quotient, so very important these days. We have other tests such as the transactional analysis or ego states test. We have the team role inventory test, where we have the Belbin test, and we have our own Shoaib team role inventory test, which again is an improvement, or at least you can say it's built on the foundations of the Belbin team role inventory test. We have the Johari window. We also have the conflict style assessment. These are some of the tests. Obviously, the details are to be found in our website. Now, what we want to share with you in this video, in this session, in brief, is how we have categorized our services as far as our personality analysis segment of our services are concerned under the personalityexperts.com. The other services, such as the career-oriented services and chess personality services, we'll talk about in other separate videos. So about personality analysis, basically we have clubbed the tests in 2 categories. We have what is called the basic pool, and we have what is called the advanced pool. Now this is a categorization. It's somewhat arbitrary. It may seem somewhat arbitrary to you, but it has actually built on certain foundations which would be pretty difficult for you at this stage to understand once we have some interactions. And you can also always request a free session if you so think, whenever you decide to go for a test, to be clear about what your requirements are, to find out what exactly your requirements are, and to understand or set the expectations, what you can expect from us straight. So these are some of the things. Now, to make life easy for you, we provide services both at the individual as well as group levels. That's a huge plus. Not many organizations will do that. They will either focus on individuals or on organizations or groups or teams. We do both, and and again, for your convenience or ease, we have 3 predefined readings, which we call the basic reading and the intermediate reading and the advanced reading. Basically, this is a collection of tests which we feel best represents what we have named it as a basic psychometric analysis reading. And then we have some intermediate reading, and we also have the advanced reading. So these are 3 pools. Now, we don't want to restrict you to these specific pools, although these are the most general readings that uh, you may decide to choose from. We also have the scope for a specific test. We also have the scope for any specific combination of tests that you desire, and also lastly, all tests combined. Obviously, for all tests combined, at our promotional period, we have the offer of discounted pricings, which you can check at the website. So these are the ways in which the services are organized, and the tests arranged into basic and advanced pools, and then into the basic reading and the intermediate reading and the advanced reading, and about uh, giving options to you so that you can choose from. You have a choice in deciding whether you want to go for a single test that's available, or any combination of tests, or all tests combined. So these are 3 additional options, but for these 3 specific options, you need to contact us through any of the mechanisms, either through phone or email, or you may request for a Skype discussion as well. any of the mediums, we are okay with it. A little bit more into it. Some of the tests are actually for individuals. For example, the MBTI, they or the SBTI-PT, they can be availed in a team, but then each test has to be administered on an individual basis. So some of the tests are specifically for teams. For example, the Belbin team role inventory or the Shoaib team role inventory, which again is based on the Belbin team role inventory. Now, these are essentially tests for teams, but it does not mean that team as a whole takes the test. It essentially means that the benefit is maximized, optimized when all the members of a particular team decide to take the test. The tests by themselves have to be administered individually. So this is something very important. Obviously, some of you may already be aware of these intricacies and you don't have a clue why we are discussing that. This is for the benefit of those who are not very much accustomed with the different tests. So it's for their benefit, not for those who already know about it. For them, this is just a repetition or a reminder sort of. And for those who actually need this information, it's for them. These are in the website as well, but this is just to make things easy for them. Obviously, at any time you decide to go for a test or you have difficulty in deciding which test you so want, then you can request a free session. That's always an option with you, and you're free to choose any of the modes of communication that we have made available to you through phone or through email or through Skype. So that's about the personality tests. Obviously, each of the tests have been discussed or mentioned in details in the website. You can always go through that and you're welcome to do so. And once you've decided, do feel free to knock us, to let us know. And as we have said, for if you want to go for not the standard tests or the standard readings of basic, intermediate, and advanced, if you just want to go for a single test or any combination of tests or all tests combined, then you just need to just drop a mail and we'll get back to you for a discussion on the same. So that's it. That's about the personality tests. I hope we have made certain things more clear, and there is more info on the website. You can always check that. You can get back to us, and thanks for watching.